Hello! Today, Luna and I are going to show you how to sell digital gift cards online so that even during this time of social distancing, you can still create a profit for your small business. Keep watching the tutorial to see the step-by-step instructions on how to do gift cards online for your business. All right. When you click the link, it'll take you to this web page. Click Get Started. Then you'll need to sign up. Put in the email address that you want to use. Then it'll take you right into the Getting Started page with a list of things to do. First, we've got to verify our email address. To do that, go ahead and go to Gmail. Then click the Confirm email address and click Confirm email address. Then it will prompt you to create a password. This password can be anything, just something that you can remember. Oops, needs special characters. There we go. Then to continue setup, we will add business details. So for me, I'll say top web design, business address if you have it, country, your website URL if you have it. Now, if you do not have a website, you can click this button that I don't have a website, and they will give you a link that you can use to share instead. It's better if you have a website. Of course, you have a little bit more control over what you share with your customers and your users. To show you how, though, I will click I don't have a website just so you can see how that would work. Then for our industry, I'll just press other. You want to pick a currency that you're doing, USD in US, your time zone, your default language, update business settings. Oh, it does want a business address. So go ahead and put in your business address. Then once your business settings are updated, we'll go back to Getting Started up here in the left corner. We set up some items to sell. Now I can allow customers to choose a value for gift cards. That works great. I can also add an individual item to sell. Like if I want to have, here's a $5 gift card, or here's a coupon for a free dog grooming session. Any way you want to set up what you're selling. It can be by value or either way. I'm going to enable custom value gift cards so that people can say exactly how much they want to spend on each gift card. Now I want to customize how this looks when the user sells it though. So I'll go down to my sidebar in the bottom where it says settings. Now I would like to customize my gift card settings so that it looks just nice and beautiful and professional. I'll click this. Now I can upload any artwork I have so that if you have artwork such as your own logo or a picture from your business, you can upload that. A great site that I love for developing free artwork is Canva. It's a free website. You can create a design, you can use a logo or any shape you'd like. The great thing about Canva is that while I can add text, pictures, images, anything like that, I can also use their free templates. Let's say I'm selling a food and drink business. I'll go to the food and drink template section, click see all, and then I can use any of these I'd like to focus on. Maybe I sell coffee. Lots of cute little coffee shops. So is this. I'll press this one because I like it. Blows up right in my main screen. Now I can customize the text, even the colors. I'll say Sierra's coffee. Cold brew coffee. And this I can then save as a picture to use for my gift card. However, if you prefer just using one of their gift card pictures, that's great too. They have a lot of good pictures. You can say gift voucher. There's different hair things. Let's say I am a hair salon company. I'll pick this one. And then I'll put the description on it. You can say for use at your business. You can say good at Sierra's Salon or whatever your business name. Then I get to add any terms and conditions. So if I want to describe to the customer where they can use it, valid when, or I'll say must show gift card at time of purchase. Then I can choose whether I want my gift cards to never expire, or if I do want them to expire at a certain date, that's all right as well. Up to you, whatever works best for your business. And then I do want them to use a scannable barcode, because when we download the app to our phone, we'll be able to actually use the app to just scan the customer's gift card. And the great thing about GiftUp is it automatically keeps track of however much money they have on that gift card. We don't have to keep track of it. You don't have to keep track of it when you set up your GiftUp account. You can say when it was issued on if you'd like, or not. You can show the USD balance if you'd like. And this is telling you how the code will formate. If you want just 3 letters or just numbers, that's all right as well. I'm good with the random letters and numbers. So now I'll press preview to see what it looks like on the desktop computer. When someone buys a gift card, this is what it will look like. Gift card, sample item, good at Sierra Salon, to recipient name from purchaser name. This is what the customer will fill in if they're buying it for a present for somebody. I could also click mobile to see what it would look like on someone's phone when they're getting it. I like the way this looks, so I'm going to press Save Gift Card Settings. Gift card settings saved. If I go back to Continue Setup, and then I'm going to go back to set up some items to sell in the gift card account. I have the custom value gift cards, but I'd like to also add special coupons. So a particular set value thing in mind, I'm going to add this as well. Let's say I want to sell a gift card that is good for 1 dog grooming surface. I'll make it fancy. I'll say deluxe dog grooming service. And then I'll put whatever price that is for my company, however price that I use, and that's the balance I'll add on the gift card. I can add another description if I want to. All services include nail buff and trim, as well as a full bath. Forgive me, I am not a dog groomer, although I love my own dog groomer and I love my dog, so forgive me if the description's not good. I'm making this up for your example. You can add more information if you want, such as a website link if you need to, if you have a website, or even a social media account describing the services. Then we'll hit Save Item. Now this is an item that someone can go in and just buy from us if we'd like to, if they would like to. I'll go back to my Getting Started page. Then once I'm here, I need to attach a payment gateway account. This is the way that you're actually going to receive your payment. I have several choices for attaching the type of payment or the type of payment gateway through which I want to receive the money from my customers when they buy a gift card. If you already have a PayPal account, you can use that. If you have a Square account already, you can use that. If you don't have an account and are not sure which to sign up for, I highly recommend Stripe. Stripe is another free online tool that allows you to accept credit card payments from your customers. It's free because instead of charging you, Stripe charges a transaction fee. It's about 3% of every transaction submitted. So for example, if your customer buys from you a $100 gift card, then Stripe would take $3 of that gift card. Now I'm going to use a PayPal setup because I already have a PayPal account that I could use. I'll click here. It'll direct me to connect with PayPal, so I'll click connect. Then I will log in using my PayPal email address and password, or if you'd like, you don't have one, you can sign up for a new PayPal account as well to complete this process. Then I need to agree to allow GiftUp to be able to access some of my profile information, like my email, to complete the connection. And now I get the success message that it has been connected and payments will be made immediately into my PayPal account when I sell a gift card. Success! Now heading back to Continue Setup. The last step after you connect your payment account would be to get your checkout code. If we don't have a website, we're going to use this checkout link that they're giving us right here. It's kind of a long, ugly link, but that's okay because we can make it look nice. And we can also change our how it looks, making it look beautiful, the page that we see in checkout settings. I'm going to customize this now. So we'll press checkout settings, and then we can pick the color we like. We can choose if we want a white background, a black background, what font we'd like, the family we'd like. You can add additional wording if you'd like. You can add a button directing to your website or to a different social media account, or even a different website that you find helpful for people. If you want it to be so that customers can only buy for themselves as in not a gift card, you can do that. If you want it to be they're only buying for themselves at first, then they can change it. That's all right too. I'm going to leave it at the default settings. Now, GiftUp makes their money by charging a service fee out of the cost of the gift card your customer pays you. So again, for an example, your customer buys a $50 gift card from your website. GiftUp takes 3%. It's about 3% of that $50. You don't pay GiftUp anything, but they do take that tiny little cut. Some people choose to charge a service fee to your customer to cover that. So I could say 3% of total, or I can just say it's a flat, straight up $3 service fee per order. And then my customer would pay this to kind of cover me on that end, so I don't have to be fronting that cost. It's really your preference what you'd prefer to do, charging a service fee or not. If you have a business where it would be appropriate to prepay for a tip, you may do that as well. And then I do want to enable our built-in balance checker. That allows customers to check their gift card balance. So if we're allowing them to use a part of a gift card, let's say they've got $50, but they only pay something that costs $25, well, then they still have $25 left on that gift card. The beautiful thing about GiftUp is that GiftUp keeps track of that all for you. Now, if I want to choose a logo, I can. I'm going to grab a photo that I have downloaded, but if you have your own photo, you can use that. Again, if you want to use Canva to create a design, I'd highly recommend that as well. Then introductory text, I'll say, grab a gift card, support local small businesses. Again, you'd make this something much better, but I will just add that for now for an example. Then we can preview the checkout. All right, and it uses my gift card picture I selected earlier. I can either buy the $35 deluxe dog grooming service, or I can choose an amount. I can just buy a $2 gift card. I can buy a $25 gift card. I can buy a $200 gift card. Either one. On the mobile phone, it would look very similar. That's the nice thing about this, is that customers can also use the phone, and then it will look really normal. They can check their gift card balance by putting in their code on their gift card, and it will tell them how much money they have left to use. It's a really user-friendly service for your customers as well as you, which is why I recommend this. I'm going to save my checkout settings. Nice. Again, I'm going to go back to my Getting Started dashboard. Again, we're going to go to this last link, Get Checkout Code. My permanent checkout link right here is the link that I can share with my customers. Either I can send them this link through an email, through a text message, through Facebook messaging. I can also post this link on social media, and when my customers follow it, it'll take them directly to the online platform that we customized earlier to be able to buy a gift card. I'll press copy to clipboard, and then we'll paste this in a new tab to see what it looks like. And now when it loads, I see that my personal webpage has the picture I picked for the top for the heading. I know mine's my random little dog, but this could be whatever your website logo is or whatever image you want at the top. And then the words that I chose to write, again, something you could say about your business, inviting customers to purchase from you. And then it has my menu of gift certificates available to purchase. After we can finally get back into personal relationships, your customers can go up to your hair salon, your dog groomers, your coffee shop. You can use your the mobile app, the GiftUp mobile app. You'll download it onto your phone, and they are going to you'll log in. They'll show you the gift card. You'll select your user. You'll write in the barcode. Excuse me, not the barcode, the letter digit code, the A, B, whatever the random letters and numbers are, or you can scan it with your phone's camera. Then it'll show you that person and the gift card that they have, how much money they have on it. You can hit fully redeem if they're going to use the entire gift card, or partially redeem if they're just going to use a certain amount. You type in how much they're going to pay, and then it shows a new balance. Then that's it. GiftUp completely takes care of all the back-end work, keeping track of how that customer, how much money that customer still has on their gift card, which is what makes it so helpful. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to sell digital gift cards to make a profit during this time of social distancing. It's kind of a crazy time, but nobody wants to see small businesses go over just because of the social distancing. So please take advantage of the free tools out there like GiftUp. Use our online resources so you can share with your fans and your customers who can support you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our Top Dog Web Designer channel. I also included a link in the video description for a web hosting deal if you are interested. SiteGround, my favorite web hosting company, is offering a really great discount right now if you are interested in starting an actual website to promote your online business presence. And please join the Top Dog Web Designers Facebook group so you can get more ideas on how to help your business create your own website and develop your online presence. In the meantime, I hope you have a great rest of your day.